Now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is primary base value 20 or 30. What will going to happen if the primary base value is 20 and 30? Nothing different. Most of the step is same. Only one step will going to add, and that step is applicable for the rest of all the number like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever the number. So let's understand. Again, we have a three kind of scenario. Here you can see that this number 18 and 17 we are going to multiply. So you can see that instead of taking 10, if we are going to take base value 20, then this both number are more nearer from 20. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you are going to take base value 20, your difference is small and your calculation will also become a fast. So minus 2 and minus 3. Now 2 3 are 6 and 18 minus 3 is what?
15.
So answer is what?
156.
But this is the wrong answer. Okay, because we missed one step here. That is the reason I told you there is a one additional steps. So 18 minus 3 is what? 15. But we are not going to write down 15 here. Actually, when you have a base value 20, you have to multiply with this 2 and then write down the answer. So 15 into 2 is 30, and this is the correct answer. Understood? Earlier, we have a 10. So in that case, we just write down the answer. Why? Because multiplying with 1 is not affect any value.
20 is the base value. That's why we are multiplying 15 by 2. Right?
Earlier, if the value is 10, in that case, we also multiplying with 1. But doesn't value, if you are going to multiply any value with 1, that doesn't change anything. So we skip. Let's take one more example. 23 into 20. Now, both value is what? Greater than base value? Yes or no? Plus 3, plus 4. Now tell me, 4 3 is 12. Carry over 1. Understood? Confusion? Any confusion? Any confusion here?
No.
4 3 is 12. So carry over 1. No confusion? Very good. Now, next step is what? 23 plus 4. 27 into 2.
54.
Because value carry over 2. 54. 54 and carry over 1. Clear? In this way, we got the answer 550. You can do it mentally. Even if you do the practice, you can do it mentally. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do it mentally. Look at it. Suppose there is a number 23 and you are multiplying 27. So now you know that what is the base value difference? If the base value is 20, what is the difference?
Plus
3 and
3.
7. So 7 3 is
21. 1.
carry over
1.
2.
2.
Now 23 and plus 7. This 7 is going to add because 7 is the difference.
30.
30. And what is the carry? 30 into 2?
60.
60.
60
And
plus
60
2.
and carry over?
52.
Answer. Without doing anything, we can write down 650. Now, let's take next example, 22 minus into. This number is greater than 20 and this number is less than 20, right? Our base is again 20 only. So plus 2 and
Right.
minus. 2 2 is 4, so I'm writing minus 4 here, not on the top. Whenever you got a minus value, write down 0. Next, 22 minus 2.
20
into 2.
40.
Subtract it.
96.
Understood? समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm taking one more example here. The number is 29. Multiply with 28. Now tell me, what is the multiplying?
Plus 9 plus
And
7.
base value?
Sir, 30 base value per लो.
करते हैं. पहले इसको कर लेंगे. 9 into 8.
72.
2. Carry over 7. Next.
29 plus 8, 37.
29 plus 8, 37. 37 into 2. 74.
74.
74 plus 7.
74 plus 7.
81.
81.
81.
Now, I'm going to repeat the same example again.
Using base 30.
29 and 28. Okay. This time I'm taking base value 30. So what is the multiplying factor?
Minus 1, minus 2.
Minus 1, minus 2. Multiply it. 2. Next. 29 minus 2.
27 into 3.
Into 3. 81. Can you get the answer? Same answer?
1 2. 8 1 2.
Now, if you are going to find who is the easy one, you will find this one. Because
Base.
your number are nearer from your base. And that is the reason this is important to take the base near about the number. Because your multiplying will become easy. Now look at this 9 8 is 72. You have a carry over 7. Then you did 98. This number is also very big. Instead of doing this is 2 into 1 is 2. And 929 minus 2, 27 into 3, 18. Okay. So this is the. So it doesn't matter if the base value is 3, if 30, base value is 40, base value is 50, you can do it very easily. Okay, let's take one more example here. Solve 32 into 34. Everyone, please solve it. Its base value 30.
1088. 1088.
4 2 is 8. So 8 was correct answer. 32 plus 4 is 36, and 36 into 3,
108.
108. So this is the, so this method is clear now.